Hello folks, in this video, we'll show you how to set up Mobile Authenticator for two-factor authentication. We will first begin with how an admin can set up Mobile Authenticator for the end users. Let's go to the Mobile Authenticator card first and enable the toggle. After this, please ensure that 2FA is enabled for the required applications and users. The admin has now successfully set up and configured the Mobile Authenticator method for the end users. Now, let's take a look at how the inline registration process will appear for users. When the user logs in for the first time after the 2FA method has been configured, they will need to enter their username and password, which serves as the first factor of authentication. After that, when the user clicks on Login, they will be prompted with Let's Configure Second Factor button. They will then be prompted to scan the QR code and enter the verification code generated by the Mobile Authenticator. After entering the code, the user needs to click Validate Code to complete the registration and log in successfully. Let's now see how the user flow looks once the inline registration is completed after their first login. Just like during the first login, the user is prompted again to enter their username and password as the first layer of authentication. After entering their username and password, the user clicks on Login. They are then prompted to enter the code received on the authenticator configured during inline registration. After entering the code and clicking Validate, the user is successfully logged in. And that's how the entire Mobile Authenticator 2FA flow works in the miniOrange 2FA plugin.